Hello everyone, I'm Jim Fire. In this video we're going to be learning about the Pythagoras theorem. Now before I begin, let me ask you, if any of you have enjoyed my videos, then don't forget to like and subscribe, and anyway, let's begin. So the Pythagoras theorem. We know we're going to be using Pythagoras in a question when we have a right angled triangle. We're told two sides of it, but there's one missing length, okay? So in this case we have AB, which we know of, and BC, which we know of. The missing length is AC, which is the largest length. And the diagram will say that it's not drawn to scale, okay? So yes, AB is 9 centimeters, BC is 6 centimeters, we know, and AC we don't know. So we're going to call AC X, okay? And we see this formula, we're going to be using it. Right, so we have the square root of AB squared plus BC squared, okay? And I'm going to be using my calculator here. So here we go. So we do the square root of that, square root of 9 squared plus 6. I'm using one of those like rubbish online calculators because my phone, it has all these weird, like, it's not weird, but it's hard for me to understand, right? Anyway, the answer we get is 10.16, so 10.881, right? So it's 10, and my pen is gone. 10.81, okay? So that means that we have just worked out the length of this. Now in the exam question it could say give your answer to 1 dp, which would just make it 10.8 or whatever, right? And the reason we added it is because this is the longest length. If we had one of these missing, then we would take away, which I'll show you in an example now. Right, so bear with me a minute. We get rid of that, we get rid of this, we'll get rid of that 9 centimeters, just because, why not, right? So in this case it was 10.8, okay? There we go, almost. There we go. So, now in this question, we know A and C is 10.8, and we know that BC is 6 centimeters. If we want to work out what AB is now, we're going to have to use the same formula. However, we need to do 10.8 squared. But then we're going to do, because this is the largest number, okay? So we do the largest number, take away, you'll have to forgive my handwriting here, okay? Take away 6 squared, okay? So if we do that now, getting my little calculator out a minute. So, the square root of 10.8 squared minus, because we know that we only add it when we're trying to work out this length. If we're working out one of the smaller lengths, then it's minus, okay? So minus 6 to the power of 2, and we get 8.97. Right, so 8.97. If we have to round it, right, to a whole number, then 9 cm. And it's what we had last time when we were working at this angle, okay? Anyway, thank you for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I rather enjoyed the Pythagoras theorem. It was actually quite fun to learn. Anyway, have a good day. This is the first math tutorial where I've actually shown my face. Although not the first video. The first video when I showed my face did very well. It's got like over 100 views. So thank you for that, everybody, and have a good day.